What's up guys, Thomas here, TP Parts Rc-Xtreme. Just finished the bash with the Arma Creighton ELVB EXB, and time for the fourth test with the Losi 5ive with the CasteCreation XLX2 and the 1100 motor. Should be a little bit more grip now, and just see if I can get the feeling of it. So it's gonna be fun to see how it really acts when the grip is a little bit more, so to speak. So well, let's see. Oh yes. Yeah, we can at least say it's a bit more powerful than the 950 system. I think I need to go over my mid diff. It sounds like a nuclear plant when you break that beast. Just gonna see. Mini gonna send it, a mini one. Check this out, guys. And again, this is a huge shout out to Mr. Graham. Without you, nothing could be done. It's hard to describe how I feel when I drive this. Not only it's a beast, it's big, it's fun, but the value for me. Ooh. Priceless. See if we can do some. Yep. Jesus. Yeah, I think I blew a tire. These are the beadlock wheels. No, they're fine. I actually glue them with Sea glue. Dismount and clean them, sanding them, and because they don't last. Ooh. What a beast. I'm not gonna lie, I mean the hobby wing system and the 950 were great. I'm not sure there are 56, 112, 1100 motors from hobby, I don't know, but this is next level. you can see how the balloon is just transfer all power to the front wheels. And I know I haven't touched this diff since I built it, and I think I'm running 1 million, but I know it has some leakage in it, so I'm not gonna run up there. It's too dirty. I mean, it handles like a 1/8, but it's so powerful. And it this sounds, and it works. Yeah, it sure does. That's the next thing that I'm gonna do, is to go over the mid diff. See if we can. It's just steep there. Maybe over here. My biggest fear, not about the electronics or whatsoever, but that's easy to replace, and it's starting to show some serious damage, and that's the actual body. It took me many hours to make that one. You know, to measure, cut, drill. Well, I think, okay, let's see here. The motor, okay, I didn't, yeah, I pushed it, but it's a lot of wheel spin, not too much traction, but so, no, this is the thing that I think the on-off switch, somehow it is broken. I can't turn it off, so I'm gonna do it like that, turn it off, see if I can talk to Castle about this. This is the second time it happens. Last time when I shut it off, it just, when it was off on the switch, it just rebooted all the time. So I put it on the switch to value on, and then disconnected it. So, but other than that, it works flawless. I mean, the fan hasn't even started, or it doesn't work. I'm not sure. About the packs, no, they're working good. What is, did I a single servo conversion. The stock one I used to run 2 servos, but the carbon fiber and cradle broke off due to the flex. And then I also narrowed it. Yeah, you can see. I mean, the proportion now, in my opinion, this is how it should look. I mean, yeah, I think no. Anyway, I need to go over them and see. Well, thanks anyway.